My name is Walid Shamais. I'm from Sydney, Australia. I'm 53 years old. I'd just love to share my story with you and how I came about to getting this transplant and getting this result that I've got right now. I was starting to thin out in my early 20s. By the time I reached 29 or 30, I was almost completely bald. And when I was 35, I was completely gone. I was given up on the possibility of ever looking normal with hair. Used all these different types of chemicals and I almost resigned to the fact that I was going to be bald for the rest of my life, until one day I saw somebody in Sydney, a friend of mine who had just returned from Turkey, and I saw his result. I was absolutely amazed, and I just couldn't believe that hair transplant could give you this kind of result. So immediately I became interested. I really had to make inquiries and come to Turkey myself. I was very fortunate. I'm very happy that I made this inquiry. I had landed with my inquiry onto Dr. Fatih, who did my first operation. It was a very, very professional that they handled themselves. The whole overall experience, which is one of that, nothing short of very professional, very, very happy, and his professionalism made me feel at ease. I did my first operation. My donor area wasn't very good because I had previously done something in Australia which did not work. The results were pretty pathetic, really. I did the operation with Dr. Fatih. I did the first operation, which was only 1,500 grafts, which is minimal, only because my donor area was quite poor. Then I returned and I completed the operation a couple of years later, and this is the result. As you can see, it looks very natural, and I'll show you my before and after. So I transformed from looking like this to this within a 3-year period. So if you guys are thinking of doing the operation and thinking of improving your looks, this is the kind of thing that you can look like, and I can promise you one thing, you'll be very, very impressed.